Warts are small skin growths caused by human papillomavirus infection. Warts can grow on any part of your skin, and they may also spread to other people. Warts are caused by a type of virus called human papillomavirus. You can get a wart by touching another person's wart, including by having sex with someone who has a wart on the penis, vagina, or rectum. 1. Common warts are small, firm growths with a rough surface and may be gray, yellow, brown, or black. Appear on body parts that are often injured, such as your knees, face, fingers, or elbows. 2. Plantar and palmar warts. Palmar warts appear on the palm of your hand. Plantar warts usually appear on the sole of your foot but may appear as raised growths on the top of your foot or on your toes. 3. Mosaic warts are groups of smaller plantar or palmar warts that join together. 4. Periungual warts are thick growths around your nails that may have the texture of cauliflower. 5. Filiform warts are long, narrow, small growths that usually appear on your eyelids, face, neck, or lips. 6. Genital warts appear on the penis, anus, vulva, vagina, or cervix. Many warts disappear without treatment in a year or two, especially common warts. If you have genital warts, doctors will treat them with medical creams, chemicals, or sometimes surgery. Doctors will remove most kinds of warts using chemicals, freezing, burning them off with a laser, or cutting them off. The treatment depends on the kind of wart, where it is on your body, and how big it is. Thanks for watching. For more health videos, please like, share, and subscribe.